What's up, telescopes? It's your girl Talise, aka Curly Tails, and I'm back here with another video. And today, as you can tell from the title, I'm going to be unboxing my sister's November BOXYCHARM base box. So the theme for this month is Harvest, and she got variation number 35. This is what the card looks like. Before we get started with this video, I just want to say welcome back to all my subbies, my telescopes, and if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button right below this video, and also make sure you ring that notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And if you have a natural hair channel and I'm not yet subscribed to you, comment that down below and I'll subscribe back. Alright, let's get started. So I did already take a look at the products inside this box, and let me tell you guys, I was very pleased. I said last month, I thought the box was just okay because they didn't really give us anything like $70 or $80. They made me super bougie with these boxes. I want at least one like luxury product. And this time they showed out. They did a great job. I can't wait to show you guys what she got and also show you which product she's probably going to be giving to me. The first product on the card is the Natasha Denona Peak palette. It says that it's a 5-pan palette featuring Natasha's essential everyday warm toned eye pigments that she mixes and matches from her favorite palettes, all reorganized and wrapped into one. Composed of both creamy matte and metallic formulas from the cult classic Biba, Safari, and Sunrise eyeshadow palettes, you'll find yourself reaching for this all season long. And the original price is $48. So this is the first product, and it's a palette from Natasha Denona. I have heard of this brand from my girl Jackie Naturals. I never heard of this brand before I heard her mention it. I haven't heard her say anything but good things about this brand, so I am really excited to try this palette out. So this is the packaging that it came in. It didn't really have any kind of design or anything on it, but it does have the shade names on the back. And this is what the palette looks like. It's very pretty. I thought there would be a few metallic shades, not just the one, but I'm still excited to try this out. The next product on the card is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. It says deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream. It's a blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract to seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. It says it's gentle enough for sensitive skin, and the original price is $70. So I already knew when I saw a Murad product in this box that it was going to be expensive. They did give, I think, me an eye cream in one of the first boxes that I got, and it was around $70 too, I think. I was like, what? I'm still like, what? But I do want to try this out. This is what the packaging looks like, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but it says that this is not even 1 fluid ounce. It's half a fluid ounce. Oh, hell no! And it's $70. This is what the product looks like, and it does come in a nice jar. It looks sleek, but I cannot get over how small this is. I cannot believe that they're selling half an ounce for $70. They have lost their minds, but I still will be trying this out. The product is sealed, which I like, and this is what it looks like. It does look nice and creamy, and it does look like it's going to be moisturizing. I'm not sure yet if my sister is going to be trying this product out, but I am definitely going to be giving it a go to see if it feels like $70 on my eyes. The next product in the box is the Joair Cosmetics Lip Enhancer. It says it's infused with good-for-you clean ingredients. This lip enhancer offers a smooth, silky formula that will protect your lips from environmentally damaging elements while providing lasting hydration. And the original price is $17. This is the packaging. It's nice and sleek. And this is what the product looks like. I just wiped off my lip gloss, so I can go ahead and try this out really quickly. So far, I'd say I kind of like it. It's not really sticky, which I really like, and it feels nice on my lips. It feels kind of like Vaseline, I feel like, but it's got a nice kind of lotiony smell to it. The lip gloss was thicker than I was expecting it to be, but it does have my lips feeling really smooth. Boy, if you don't get... The product says this ultra rich lip moisturizer nourishes and conditions your lips with the help of Maxi Lip, which I don't know what that is, but it also has vitamin E, shea butter, and jojoba seed oil. So those are all really good ingredients, and I love having them on my lips. As you guys can see by the fact that I was just using it, this is one of the products that my sister is giving to me. The fourth product in the box is one that surprised me, and that's because it's another palette, and I don't think I've ever gotten 2 palettes before. Not in the boxes that I got, and not in any of the boxes that my sister has gotten have we gotten 2 palettes, so that's really cool. And it's the Beauty Creations Esmeralda 2. It says this palette is named after Beauty Creations CEO and made for a night out on the town. The bold shimmer shades ranging from gold to midnight blue make for the perfect statement look when paired with the rich matte shades in the palette as well. And the original price for this one is $13.99. So it's not as expensive as the Natasha Denona one at all, but I'm still excited to try it out. Alright, this is what the palette looks like. It does come with a nice mirror, and here are the shades. Look how pretty those are. I really love this one down here. I think that's going to be perfect for the holidays. I think I might even like the shades in this palette better than the Natasha Denona one. Just because there's more variety, there's more shimmer. It's just really pretty. And the final product in the box are the Moda Ultimate Eye Sculptors. It says define your eyes like never before with these all-star brushes specially designed to apply and blend cream and powder shadows with ultimate precision. The beautiful metallic rose gold color is sure to make this duo stand out on your vanity. And the original price is $15. So this is a pack of 2 brushes. So I feel like 2 brushes for $15 is kind of expensive. And these look like really nice brushes. And the card says that this product and the Natasha Denona palette are both BOXYCHARM exclusives. The first brush in this set is the Crease M16. It says blend shadows into the crease, diffuse colors, or add a soft, precise highlight with this fluffy, slightly tapered brush. And the other brush is the Triad Eye M27. It says this unique brush can precisely apply eyeshadows, blend into the crease, and define the lid due to its flat angle and tapered tip. And the packaging also says that these are cruelty-free and 100% vegan, which is amazing. Okay, this was a really nice box, one of my favorites so far. I really like those palettes. The lip enhancer is really nice. I think it feels really nice on my lips. My sister was very excited to get those brushes, although she was kind of like, why is there only 2 of them? There should be more.
Of course.
And I am very interested to see what that $70 eye cream can do, because what is that price? I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment down below any videos you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching and making it to the end, and I'll see you in the next one.